Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Bird feeders are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best bird feeders from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Perky-Pet 334 Bird Feeder. Keep squirrels out. The weight-activated seed shield closes ports when squirrels try to feed, and the Sherlock cap prevents them from removing the lid. More birdwatching time. The patented flex ports allow for a more optimal feeding position outside the port, so birds feel safer and stay longer. Accommodate many birds. The 4 ladder-style perch pads are designed to fit both small and large birds, so none of your favorite species are left out. For less seed loss, the flex ports are designed to be more resistant to weather and squirrel shaking, meaning money saved and fewer messes on the ground. Easy to fill and clean. The extra-wide, 6-inch opening allows for mess-free filling, while the removable, twist-off lid makes cleaning a breeze. Large capacity, holds up to 4 pounds of mixed seed, black oil sunflower seed, sunflower chips, or safflower seed. Number 4. Perky-Pet 339 Bird Feeder. Keep squirrels out. When squirrels try to access the feeder, the weight-activated perch is pulled down, blocking access to the feeding ports. Durable design. The metal is finished with a powder coating, adding to the rustic finish and ensuring rust resistance for all weather durability. Easy to clean and fill. The removable lid and large opening make the feeder easy to fill and clean. The windows also allow you to monitor seed levels. Versatile placement. This feeder can be hung or pole mounted for versatile placement anywhere around your yard. Large capacity, holds up to 8 pounds of black oil sunflower seed, mixed seed, hulled sunflower seed, or safflower seed. Number 3. More Birds X Bird Feeder. Bird seed capacity. Tube bird feeder holds up to 1 pound of bird seed. Feeding ports, total of 4 feeding ports. Dedicated design. Metal cage is designed to keep our squirrels, but allows small and some medium-sized birds to enter. Compatibility. Add a Squirrel X 15-inch or 18-inch baffle for added protection. Philanthropy. A portion of every purchase is donated to a bird habitat and conservation. Number 2. AMOEJOV Smart Bird Feeder. Watch birds anytime on your phone. Smart bird feeder camera with a wide angle of 120 degrees can auto-capture all coming birds. You can watch the birds' every move. This bird feeder camera also has infrared night vision function for clear bird watching. The Bird Buddy feeder has a built-in 2-way microphone. You can hear birds chirping. The smart bird feeder is also equipped with a 32 GB SD card, which can directly enjoy video storage and playback. App notification. The bird feeder for outside wild birds can accurately sense the visiting bird visitors through the automatic sensing function and send you a visiting notification through the app. All kinds of movements in the yard can be captured by the smart bird feeder and notified to your mobile phone. This can be used both for bird watching and as a hidden camera to monitor the security of your yard. Smart bird feeder camera allows you to close up shoots full of character. Only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, not 5G. Please charge for 3 hours for the first time to fully charge. The camera only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The phone and camera need to be connected to 2.4G Wi-Fi at the same time. The effective distance of Wi-Fi of smart bird feeder is about 10 m. Choose a place with strong Wi-Fi signal to install. If the Wi-Fi coverage signal is weak, you can add a repeater to enhance the network signal. Bird-friendly design. The Blue Birdhouse camera is bird-friendly, designed as a beautiful home for your backyard birds. Rainproof and firm metal shell make it a solid house for buddies of birds. Multiplayer sharing and service. Smart bird feeders can share multiple devices. Support 3 mobile phones to watch online at the same time. As long as there is a network, you can connect and watch anytime, anywhere. Number 1. NETVUE Smart Bird Feeder. Watch birds on your phone anywhere, anytime. Still watch birds by binocular? NETVUE Smart Bird Feeder with camera can auto-capture and identify all coming birds, and you will receive real-time notifications of feather visitors via the phone app. This revolutionary smart bird detective camera allows you to close up shoots full of character and provides the best experience to upgrade your birdwatching journey. You will never miss out. Feather birds buddies. Smart AI identifies 6,000 plus bird species. Wanna know what species of the detected birds? This smart bird feeder camera with the world's leading AI algorithm recognizes more than 6,000 types and species of birds for you. You can look up further details and introduction of the bird species in the NETVUE app with the recognition result. Meanwhile, it can accurately identify squirrels, and you can drive away squirrels by flashlight, siren, or just say go away through the microphone. See birds clearly with 1080p color night vision with 1080p high resolution. This bird feeder camera allows you to get the best shots of image and video in color even at night. You can not only see birds clearly in selfie-like perspective, but also capture close-up details with 8x magnification, such as their feathers. What is more, with a 5D bi-antenna, the camera supports more stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. You will never worry about losing signal and missing a moment of bird visitors. Patent bird-friendly design. The birdhouse camera is professionally designed as a beautiful home for your backyard birds. IP65 weatherproof and firm stand make it a solid house for buddies of birds. The 1.5L large capacity container can store enough food for birds so you don't need to add bird food frequently. Don't worry about mold owing to the waterproof feature. These bird-friendly features will attract all kinds of birds. Just enjoy your upgraded bird watching journey on our phone app. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.